I think in terms of where the SaaS industry is going, I think that companies are continuing to become more efficient even as they're spending more and more money. And by that, I mean, we've seen over, say, the last 5 years or so that companies could get to cash flow positive and build a pretty strong company on, maybe $18 18 million or 20 million of revenue, as compared to 5 or 7 years ago when it cost 50 million of invested capital. I think the difference there is that the additional capital that's being invested today is really on sales and marketing and then expanding, because the tools are so much better. There's so many tools for building a hugely scalable business. There's so many tools out there for third-party hosting, for product development, that it's much less expensive. So the companies now, rather than having to establish whether or not their technology is going to work and whether there's a market there, there's clearly a market there. And I think, all the analysts, all the market research shows that the vast majority of the software market will transition to cloud-based companies or cloud-based providers.